All right, guys, I need you to listen up. This is very important, especially if you're one of those individuals affected by the CBP One, okay? April 24th is the deadline to leave the U.S., and here's what you need to know. I'm going to break it down for you. You need to take notes, okay? I thought about all possible scenarios. At least I think I did. If you enter the U.S. through the CBP One app and were given parole, the government has taken away that protection, as you already know. Now you're being asked to leave the country by April 24th of this year, 2025. So what happens if you stay past the deadline? Let's go through those possible scenarios. You can be charged $998 every single day you stay after April 24th. Okay. They may take your personal property to cover those fines. Things like your car, money in the bank, or other valuables. Okay. Now, you can be picked up, detained, and deported. Once you are deported, you can be banned from ever coming back to the U.S. if it's something that you would like to consider. You will lose your work permit, which means you won't be able to legally work here in the US anymore. That's it, okay? Now, what if you get detained after this day, right? If you're caught after the deadline, I'm going to break those scenarios for you as well. You'll likely be held in detention, okay? Not deported yet, just detained. To be released, you may have to pay your fines in full, okay? And know that those fines are retroactive for 5 years and it can amount to $1 million. After that, you'll be deported back to your home country, okay? Now, if you say to me, well, Marilyn, what if I cannot go back to my country? Then let me give you some other options. If going home is dangerous or not possible, you may be able to do the following. Apply for asylum in another country like Canada or some European countries. But time is short, I know, and the process is different for each one. So you need to get on the ball now and start doing your research. It is very important to speak with an immigration lawyer or nonprofit who can help you guide through this process to guide you quickly. Okay, so that's one of the things that you need to be doing right now. What should you do now? You cannot wait. April 24th is coming fast, okay? Talk to a legal expert who can explain to you your options and help you figure out what's best for your situation. Everybody's situation is different, so you need to advocate for yourself. If you are leaving, try to leave voluntarily so you avoid being fined, detained, or banned, okay? Especially if you already received a notice. This is serious, guys. I cannot emphasize it enough. If you're affected, please don't ignore it. Make the best choice to protect yourself and your future. Like I always say, stay connected, stay informed, and follow for more. My heart aches for your situation. I wish I can do more. I don't know what else to do but to keep you informed. And I just hope I'm trying my best. But again, put your comments below if you have any questions and follow for more. Make sure you share this if you know that somebody can benefit from this information. Till next time.